Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update that's the drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Alright, so Sports Mode will be one of our monitoring spirits. Come outside and let us know say Juventus they open to a Vlahovic swap deal with Arsenal and Chelsea. So we will focus on Arsenal. Now, when you look at this, I don't hear this type of reports before in the past. But then they mention say Juventus wants Gabriel Jesus. Say make Arsenal give them Gabriel Jesus and then go give us Vlahovic swap. When they say swap, I don't think money is involved. They just give us our player, we'll give you your own, that kind of thing. So now, with power of hindsight, do you people believe we still need a Vlahovic? I just make I put the question out there. And if we need a Vlahovic, which player? Because this report now from Sports Mode, they don't actually mention Gabriel Jesus. They say either one player or two players. So we never really know whether Arsenal said we will embrace that swap player solution. Now, if let's just assume, now we're talking from the realm of speculation, say maybe Arsenal won't actually do this deal. Which player do you think in the Arsenal squad will fit offer Juventus so they will fit like the player? Because if you say now they need midfielder, they need a defensive midfielder. So who do you think? And we know say Juventus like Thomas Partey, Juventus like Jesus. So now do you think Arsenal will forgo Thomas Partey because of Vlahovic? I don't see it happening, but I say I just ask now. So how wanna take look this swap deal with Juventus the dog? Does it make sense? Abimoko Kokoma go there, use money, sign the player, because at the end of the day, now we want to sign this guy because Champions League, he won't go join Juve now. Now it's not really as prolific because Juve they don't really get that ginger. I don't just know. They only change coach up and down. So and they get so many off the field issues. Look at what is happening to Pogba now. Pogba they face young ban, because that one they use drugs what they're not supposed to use to play football. They do tests, they catch him. They never talk about one finish. If you go, you don't come outside with betting scandal. They don't give that one 7 months, man. So they are going through a whole lot. So I don't know. What do you think? Alright, William Gallas don't come outside when we talk about Kai Havertz and say he don't really see what the guy they do for Arsenal. In fact, he said a lot. Now AFC first post the picture. I can't do the research, so go check the story for the Mirror. Can't read the reports to get the full context. Because when I see quotes, I don't really take quotes the way they be like that. I like to get context to know what the person they talk about. So what he's saying is that Arsenal shouldn't have signed Kai Havertz. I think it was a mistake. If you spend 60 million on the striker, you expect them to score 15 goals. Say now the striker no go fit to do them. So now when I saw this thing, the first thing that just come to my mind is say, why are you making the mistake of judging Kai Havertz as a striker? And he's not the first person to do that mistake. In fact, many Arsenal fans also share that same mindset. They think towards that line of direction. Kai Havertz is not a striker. Put it in your mind. When you start judging him based on midfield performances, the expectations will be far different from this striker role. Because you know, see, this guy played striker role for Chelsea. For that reason, a lot of people can't think, say, in the striker. Go and look at where he was playing at Bayer Leverkusen, where he actually make a name. He was playing as a number 10, giving assists at plenty. He gets. So imagine Chelsea buying a midfielder and now playing him in the striker role. Go and check Chelsea. He's listed in their roster as a midfielder. Check Arsenal roster. Kai Havertz is not listed as a striker nor winger. He's listed as a midfielder. I believe the picture there on the screen. You can see it. Go and check Germany when they play. He's not listed as a striker. He's listed as a midfielder. So people need to know these things so that you're not going to judge them wrongly. Judging Kai Havertz as a striker and expecting him to score 15 goals per season is like judging Declan Rice as a winger and expecting him to offer 15 assists per season because of the price. Because he said for you to buy him 60 million, I think it was 60 million plus. For you to buy that amount, so you're expecting to score like at least 15 goals per season. But he's not the striker, because that caption, that quote, when he mentioned everything, because I read the reports. So I believe una need to go read the report for the Mirror so that you will get the full context. Because we don't read them now, so I'm speaking from an informed point of view. Judge and based on midfield role, you get. We are not saying Kai Havertz is the best player ever. All we are saying is he will develop, and that is all. And you are not supposed to even argue that one. So in where they talk say he's supposed to score 15 goals, me I think you are judging him wrongly. The guy said don't they develop small. Nobody give assist to they score against Man. In fact, some people will come outside and tell you say since Kai Havertz joined Arsenal, we never lose against Man City. Yeah, against Man City for Community Shield, he played, we won. This one again, he came in and he delivered. You should also, what is the argument about? He will develop. It's as simple as ABC. Alright, Mikel Arteta self come outside and talk about a relationship with Pep Guardiola. So Baba can talk say he with Pep they still get a very, very solid relationship. Say nothing don't really spoil. I make no go reason say because maybe Arsenal beats Man City, then Pep will vex. Say no. Say after the game, he actually called Pep. Pep come tell and say you guys are a terrific team. Like Pep, they happy for him. So they get a very, very good relationship. In fact, Arteta can talk say the last 2 games we don't play against Man City, I will collect positive result for them. Say it don't change the dynamics of their relationship. They like Arsenal no be shit back away Man City again. Like the last 2 competitive games we don't play against them. Then say will testify say Arsenal don't improve. So it's something that is visible for all to see, and that's what it just be. Alright, so Mikel Sylvester also come as psychologist say make Arsenal prioritize Oli Watkins over the likes of Ivan Toney. Say that the way in the CM, so it will make sense for the kind of the Watkins because that boy is very, very sharp, it's very, very mobile. It will give us something different than what we already have. So now what's in the sea. But me, I don't know, for some reason I tend to disagree with that because I feel say the likes of Gabriel Jesus, we can't have Gabriel Jesus educated on the Watkins. For me, I see them as the same profile. When I say profile, it's because they share similar attributes. None of them tall, which means they can't give us something different in attack. Imagine you are playing against sides where they say they get low block, they don't block everywhere. How do you go long? That's the thing. This is why coaches they carry midfielders like I have who play for 9 because of his height. But if to say you get a striker who get that height originally, you will not be disturbing Kai Havertz to go and put him in this number 9 and put him in that number 9. Because they confuse people, they say now number 9 be. No, say he's a midfielder. Go and look at where Arsenal listed him. So that's why I feel say we need a different profile. Look at all these big clubs. Look at Liverpool. They have the option of going long with Darwin Núñez. Man City have the option of going long with Elialan. Lucas will have the option of going long with Isaac. But Isaac they play 9 now. They don't convert them from wings to 9. So everybody gets somebody when they play for that place. Brentford, they still get their own Ivan Toney. That is why Chelsea now they look to sign Osimhen or maybe Vlahovic. They get Lukaku, but they throw him. Everybody is looking for somebody that will help them go long. So why do you think Manchester United bought this tall guy last season? When they collect him on loan from, I think it was Besiktas and Galatasaray. I don't forget that guy in one lanky tall dude like that. Because we give them the option of going long, but the guy don't even do anything at the end of the day. So that is why me personally, we at this time, I don't know how not this year. I want us to get somebody that gives us that option of going long in case things don't go well. Not be every team go beat with tiki-taka. Some things, now cross and not, the guys cross, corner, you got to knock something down. That's the way I'm saying it. Alright, so Dwight York, when the commerce psychologist say in the C Ramsdale joining Manchester United and replacing Onana from the way when they sign because as Ramsdale don't do for Arsenal now, the guy not really they happy based on say Arteta don't bench him and in the reason saying would like to play Euro 2024. Even the Raya said would like to follow Spain go Euro 2024. So everybody get their own aims and objectives. So for that reason, the way Onana they leak goals for Manchester United and Arsenal can't get another number 1 keeper we can do for the bench that is good enough to play anywhere. You get so within the see maybe January Manchester United may come in. It's a possibility, but we'll just watch. It can't depend on Arsenal whether they would like to sell the player because Ramsdale they complain saying he would like to play. And part of the complaint and the fact that Ramsdale they talk say in no feel good, like in the feel bad is hurting again. For the fact say they play and the fact say they play, it can't they hamper in chances of joining England to go play Euro. For all these friends the way they play now, do you know that Gareth Southgate no actually use Ramsdale, he use Sam Johnstone, where they say they arrest Pickford. So Ramsdale they of the opinion say now because of say they don't demote him for Arsenal. That is why the likes of Southgate can't choose Sam Johnstone. If they say they play for Arsenal, no how, they will choose him because when you check as of now, what it means is that Ramsdale don't be number 4 for the pecking order of goalkeepers. And this is why I'm saying don't reduce the number from 26 to 23. What are the chances the Ramsdale will follow them? Southgate, if you want to choose 3 keepers, you can choose maybe Jordan Pickford, Nick Pope, and Sam Johnstone. Ramsdale will be left behind because after all, you're not even playing for Arsenal. So these are the dangers. And part of the things we will push Ramsdale to look for a new club. And if you really want to go for a new club, I will not be surprised. I wish him all the best of luck because the game is the game. Yes, the coach has the final say. In as much as I still like Ramsdale, but if he wants to leave, he will not be the first, like I always say. But Leno left. Emiliano Martinez, after helping us to win the FA Cup, he still left. So you will not be the first. That does not mean I don't like Ramsdale, but I just let you know the way it is. Alright, Arsenal said don't contact Jorge Mendes to know how much Pedro Neto will cost. Like say they would like to sign Pedro Neto. So what you can hear now be say it will cost us at least £60 million if Arsenal won't sign Pedro Neto. Now, do you think that money is too much? Do you think it is too little to get? So, well, for the player, I will be saying, no day for the first 11, and second 11, 9 will deal. But look at the catch now. What if Pedro Neto can come Arsenal, come outperform Bukayo Saka? What happens next? That's what I say. Make I ask. I want to make a brainstorm. Now make I pick on a brain. If Pedro Neto comes to Arsenal and outperforms Bukayo Saka, give him more assists than Saka, give him more goals than Bukayo Saka, what next? Do you think Arteta can bench Saka? Let me know your thoughts. Alright, so Chris Sutton also come as a contest for him, saying they see this Arsenal match. See Arsenal will win 1-0 because when you check out, you see the last 3 times Arsenal don't meet Chelsea for there, Arsenal knock them blue and blacks. For that reason, they optimistic. Say Arsenal can still do it again. Although he can concede, say Sterling they very, very dangerous. Yes, Sterling is dangerous, but say you don't know how. But Arsenal just get the psychological edge over Chelsea based on say we they knock them anytime we meet. But just the match go sweet. Go sweet. Why I say go sweet? We say it is going to be an end-to-end stuff. What I expect. Like the same way I expect Arsenal versus Man City to be end-to-end stuff. At the end of the day, it can be KG affair. It will come be battle of the midfield. But this time around, we'll see what will happen differently. Alright, even Jamie O'Hara also come as I call say Arsenal will actually win this match against Chelsea, saying they see 2-1. And when you look at the fact, say for the last 7 times competitive games where Arsenal and Chelsea don't play, Arsenal won 6 out of the last 7. If you be Arsenal fan, you would somehow optimistic. That's why I share my optimism. Say I don't see anything more than Arsenal win because this place don't be like in our home. After all, I say London. They'll be like say we play for home. So but we'll just see how everything will go. This Jamie O'Hara. But let's say people they praise us. So if Arsenal go lose now, and then go first come for us, come laugh us, but God no go greet them. So my dear Arsenal lovers, you know what yesterday should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click and so I get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Game out.